Hey, can we talk? Oh, sure. What happened? I miss you so much. You are the best. Oh, you too. You make my day. You always understand me. I just love you. Oh, I love you too. Yeah. Wait. What? Excuse me, I'm on the phone. Not talking to you. Ugh. What? No, I thought you were talking to me. Dude, this is a toilet, not a talking competition. Next time, I'm sticking a sign. Quiet zone, emergency only. This is the most dramatic bathroom visit ever. Oh yeah, sorry. What are you talking again? Oh yeah. My mom is a teacher here. No room for me. Yes. Wait till she catches you. Really? Where was your homework? Ma'am, I left it in the staff room. VIP stuff. Nice try. Double homework for you. Bro, betrayal! Told ya. Watch me. I will check my phone. She won't notice. Shh. Harvey, put it away. Otherwise, I'll turn it into chalk dust. Oh. She got eyes in the back of her head. Snack time! Free chips for me. My mom runs this place. Put it back. This is not your house. Bro, does she live in the ceiling or what? I got mom powers. Deal with it. Bro, having a teacher mom is like having CCTV in your life. Everywhere, all the time. And no pause button.